Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to take a screenshot in Capcut using your computer. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Taking a screenshot in Capcut on your computer is relatively easy. All you have to do is to click the create a new project if you want to begin your work from scratch, or if you have already an existing project, just click on it to begin editing. Now I'm working with this specific project, and if I wanted to create a screenshot or take a screenshot on this, there are a couple of methods that we can explore. Number one option is going to be using the inbuilt screenshot taking tool in Capcut by going to this section right here, the three hamburger menu. You see this, click on it and go to the export still frames. What will happen is if you click that, you would notice you have the option to export this still frame, or kind of like a screenshot if you take a look at it that way. And you can use from any of the following format. You can take this still frame as a screenshot in the PNG format, JPEG. You can also choose the resolution. It's going to be like 4K, 2K, 720, 1080, and 480. And from here, just click the export. So that's one way. Another option that you can do is, obviously, you need to use the sniping tool, which is available in Windows. All right, and when you open the Capcut, set a frame or the area you want to screenshot. You see this? All you're going to do is essentially drag this tool. All right, choose the screenshot type. You can choose from rectangular snip, freeform snip, window snip, or full screen snip. And again, just select the area of your Capcut project that you want to capture. This screenshot will be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it in Control V into an image editor. Maybe if you want to use it to like going to maybe like a paint right here, and then copy that. So these are going to be some of your options. All right, and of course you can also use the print screen option if you're in your PC. So going here, I'm gonna press the print screen button on my computer and paste it to any editing software that you wanted. For example, you can simply paste it to different editing software. For example, I'm gonna be using Canva, right? And there, of course, from here you can edit and further expand on your screenshot. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.